going to discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 2 Boolean algebra part 2. This is the third video of this lesson. So last video class we discussed about NOR gate and coupled AND gate. Now in this video class we are going to discuss about the NAND gate and coupled OR gate. So we already know NAND and NOR gates is known as universal logic gates. Why we call these two gates are universal logic gates? Because the fundamental logic gates are derived from this NAND and NOR gates. So what are the fundamental logic gates? And or not. These three gates are known as fundamental logic gates. Why we call it as a fundamental logic gates? From this logic gates we can build any other gates. So we call it as a fundamental logic gates. Okay, so NAND and NOR is known as a universal logic gates. Now we see about how to draw the NAND gate and how to pass inputs and what are the expected output is produced by the NAND gate. Okay, so the NAND gate operates an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. So NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, so it acts in the manner of the logical operation and followed by inversion. So we already discussed a NAND operator, no? The same way NAND gate is also work. So NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So NOT gate is also known as the inverter. Okay, inverter gate or inversion. The output is false. When you get a false output in NAND gate, if both the inputs are true, otherwise the output is true. Okay. In other words, the output of the NAND gate is 0 if and only if both the inputs are 1. Otherwise the output is 1. That is, when you get output false in NAND gate, if both the inputs are true, the NAND gate get the output false. If the inputs is if the input is not true, then we are get the output is true. Okay, now you can see the logic circuit of NAND gate. The logic circuit of NAND gate is we are passing two inputs, that is A and B. We already know no NAND gate is the combination of AND and NOT gate. So how to draw the AND gate? One D symbol is there. Okay, we are passing two inputs A and B. So A and B given to the AND gate. What is the output of AND gate? A dot B. The symbol dot is used to specify the AND operator. Okay, A dot B. And then this input is passed on to the NOT gate. How to draw the NOT gate? Triangular symbol with a circle. Okay, so this input A into B is passed to the NOT gate, and then what is the output you can get? We get the A into B, that is A dot B, the whole bar. The bar symbol is used to specify the NOT gate, and dot symbol is used to specify the AND gate. Okay, so NAND gate, output of NAND gate is C equal to A into B, the whole bar. The logic symbol of NAND gate is, we already learned NOT gate can be represented instead of using triangle and oval circle shape. We also use circle shape alone to mention the NOT gate. Okay, now you can see the logic symbol A, B is passed on to AND gate. After the AND gate we just put one circle shape. This circle shape is used to specify the NOT gate. Okay, either we can draw the logic circuit or we can draw the logic symbol of NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate is the combination of what are the gates? AND and NOT gate. What is the output of AND gate? A into B. We are passing input to NOT gate. What we get? We get the inversion of that input. Here we are passing A into B is the input of NOT gate. So we get the output A into B, the whole bar. Okay. Now you can see the output of the NAND gate is C equal to A dot B, the whole bar. How we can read this one? C equals not of A and B, or we can also read C equals the complement of A and B. Okay. So for example, we substitute the value to this equation and see what is the output is produced. Okay, so for example, if both the inputs are 1, we are passing the inputs A and B is 1. Okay, so C equal to 1 dot 1 the whole complement. So 1 into 1 in AND operator both the inputs are true. What is the output? The output is also true. Okay, so 1 dot 1 the complement is equal to 1 complement. 1 complement means what we get? We get the output as 0. So when both the inputs are true, the output is false. Okay. So now you can see the truth table of NAND gate. How many variables is there? We are passing two variables, that is two inputs, A and B. How many combinations of values you can able to give it as a input? 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 4 combinations of values you can able to give to those NAND gate. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is the output you can get? If we pass the input 0 0, we get the output 1. When both the inputs are false, the output is true. Okay, so 0 1, then we get the output is also true. Okay, that is 1 1 0, we get the output as true. 1 1, we get the output as false. That is how you can say the output. Where the NAND gate produce false output when both the inputs are true. Otherwise the output is true. Okay, you can write like this also. So the NAND gate produce the false output when both the inputs are true. Otherwise the output is true. Okay. Now you can see the coupled OR gate. Last class we discussed about coupled AND gate. No, can you able to remember? That is AND gate, before passing the input to the AND gate, we just invert the input. That is known as the coupled AND gate. Here also we are going to discuss about the coupled OR gate. Okay, so coupled OR gate means we invert the input of OR gate. That is, before giving input to the OR gate, we just invert. Inversion can be done by the NOT operator. Okay, here we are passing two inputs A and B. So A, it passed to the NOT gate, that is complement. We are taking the complement, as well as B is also passed to the NOT gate. B complement. A complement and B complement is given input to the OR gate. We get the output C equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, A bar plus B bar. We get the output coupled OR gate. Okay, see this diagram. And the last one is a OR gate. Okay, before giving the input to this OR gate, how many inputs is there? A and B. Two inputs is there. Okay, so first we can pass input A to the NOT gate. Okay, so A triangle symbol circle. So this is a circuit for NOT gate. We get the output A complement. Then we can pass this input A complement to the OR gate. The same way we are passing the second input B. First we can send this input to the NOT gate. That is triangle symbol circle. We get the output B complement. And then we can pass this input B complement to the OR gate. What is the symbol for OR gate? The plus symbol is used to specify the OR gate. Okay, that is OR operator. So we get the output C equal to A bar plus B bar. Here C is the output variable, and then output boolean expression is C equal to A complement plus B complement. So this is the boolean logical expression for coupled OR gate. Okay. So the output of the circuit can be written as C equal to A bar plus B bar. The plus symbol is used to specify the OR operator. Okay, the circuit can be redrawn. We can also redrawn the circuit as the bubbles on the input. Okay, we already learned, the NOT circuit can also represented by only circle is used to mention the NOT circuit. Okay, where the bubbles represent the inversion. So A B, we are passing two inputs. A, at the end of A, we just to put circle symbol, that is inversion symbol. Okay, and then we give input to this OR gate, we get the same output, that is A complement plus B complement. So this is a logical symbol of coupled OR gate. Now we can see the truth table for the coupled OR gate. We are having two inputs A and B. So 4 combinations of values are possible: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output, see the output, when the input is false, the output is true. Okay, so 0 0 we get the output is true. 0 1 also we get the output as 1. 1 0 we get the output as 1. 1 1 we get the output as 0. That is, when both the inputs are true, the output is false. Otherwise, the output is true. You can say this truth table is similar to the NAND gate. Okay, so we can use NAND gate or coupled OR gate, vice versa. Okay, so either we can use the NAND gate or we can use the coupled OR gate, because both the gates is having same output. So when you get the false output, when both the inputs are true, we get the output as false, that is 0. So otherwise the output is true. Okay, so this is same for NAND and coupled OR gate. So coupled OR gate, if we compare the truth table of the coupled OR gate with the NAND gate, they are identical. So both the NAND and coupled OR gates are same. So the circuits are interchangeable. We can use either the NAND circuit or the coupled OR. Both the circuits is process the same, it do the same process. Okay, so therefore a dot b the whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar, which established the De Morgan's second theorem. Last class we discussed De Morgan's first theorem. No, what is the De Morgan's first theorem? A plus b the whole bar equal to a bar into b bar. Okay, now in this class we proved De Morgan's second theorem, that is a dot b the whole bar equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, so this circuits, that is NAND and coupled OR, is used to show the De Morgan's second theorem. Okay, is it clear? Okay students, in the next video we discuss about XOR and XNOR gates. So gates are important lesson. From this lesson we get the 5 more questions also. Okay, so draw the fundamental logic gates, or draw the NAND gate, universal logic gates, or explain different types of gates. They will ask the questions like this. Okay, so explain fundamental logic gates with the truth table. Okay, so you have to draw the fundamental logic gates and give explanation about this fundamental logic gates. That is, what are the fundamental logic gates and or not. You first write the AND gate topic, and then write the definition about AND gate and draw the logic circuit and draw the truth table. Okay, so you complete all these things for each and every gate, and then write OR gate definition, OR gate logic circuit, and then OR gate truth table, and then NOT gate. Okay, you have to explain those 3 gates, and then the question fundamental logic gates is over. Okay, explain fundamental logic gates. The question will be asked in 5 mark question, means you have to say the answer like this. First to write and then give the definition about AND gate, draw the logic circuit, truth table. The same way we can explain OR gate and NOT gate also. Okay, so and then sometimes the questions will be asked how to realize AND gate from the NAND gate or from the NOR gate. For that also we can give the answer. Okay, so we can draw the NAND gate. From that NAND gate you realize the AND gate. Okay, so these are the different types of questions can be asked based on this logic gates. Okay, okay students, thank you.